Hey, what's up guys? I've got a mean shell tin today, so let's try to open this up. Okay, now we have these thingies in here. We got the sticker and this card. Looks cool. Real cool, nice. And we got only 2 packets. So let's open them up and see if we can get anything at all. The odds are pretty slim, to be honest. Okay, we got a couple of reverse hollows. That's decent. And some more reverse hollows. Okay. I got some pretty disappointing pulls today, but at least I got this upgrade. See you guys later.